In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Adobe Dimension to bring your creative visions to life. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or someone with a bit of experience, this guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up your scene using a variety of assets. We'll cover how to launch the program, navigate the interface, and utilize built-in resources to enhance your design. Let's dive in. First, launch Adobe Dimension, and either open an existing document or create a new one. This prepares your workspace where all creative magic happens. Once the program is up and running, you'll notice several panels around the interface, each housing different tools and options you'll use to build your project. On the left, you'll find the Assets panel. This is your primary resource for everything you might want to add to your scene: models, materials, lights, and more. If for some reason you don't see this panel, don't worry. You can easily access it by navigating to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Simply go to Window, then select Assets, and the panel should appear. Once you have the Assets panel visible, note that you can filter the available assets by type. This means you can choose to view just models, materials, lights, or images, depending on what you're looking to use in your design. The panel also includes a search function, which allows you to quickly find specific items by keyword. For example, typing in laptop will bring up available models related to laptops. When you're ready to add a model to your scene, click on Models in the Assets panel. You can search for a model like laptop or choose from the available thumbnails. Simply click the thumbnail or drag the model directly from the panel into your canvas, which we also refer to as the viewport. Once placed, it will immediately appear in your scene, ready for editing. After adding a model, you may want to reposition or rotate it to fit your vision. Use the Select, Move, and Rotate tools to adjust the model's placement and angle. These tools help you achieve the desired view and orientation. Additionally, take a moment to explore the Scene panel to see how different model groups and materials come together, providing a comprehensive view of your project's organization. For applying materials or images to your scene, return to the Assets panel, select a material or image, and drag it onto your model or the surface you want to adjust. This will apply the selected texture or image to that area, adding a layer of realism or artistry to your work. Likewise, the Lights and Environment categories within the Assets panel allow you to manipulate how your scene is illuminated. Adding lights and environmental settings enhances the realistic rendering of your scene, providing dynamic shadows and highlights that reflect your creative intent. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on setting up and enhancing your scene using Adobe Dimension. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best as you explore the endless possibilities this powerful tool offers. Until next time, keep creating.